Hallo, my naam is Franso en vandag is die eerste dag wat ek saam met die Mountain Men Tafelberg kom uitklim. Dit is regtig koud en reënerig en nat, maar dit is op die einde van die dag so lekker. Ek het 'n paar interessante lessies geleer van Wonna vanoggend toe hy vir my sê, toe ek vir hom sê, maar dit reën, hoekom gaan klim die Tafelberg uit as dit reën? En hy sê, ja man, dit maak jou sterk in jou kop en jou hart, dit maak die span sterk. En dit maak jou gees sterk en dit is net soos die lewe is nie byvoorbeeld die lewe is nie net comfort seeking. Die lewe is nie veronderstel met comfort seeking te wees nie. En dit is net ietsie wat ek vandag geleer het, so baie dankie vir julle almal.
Ek voel homself want dis waar mense mekaar sluit. En as iemand iets verstaan nie, dan weet iemand anders so.
I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees or will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when that day comes, when I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I would do is forever worship you. I can only imagine. Imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Yeah. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees or will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when all I would do is forever worship you. I can only imagine.